Hello crafty friends, I'm Lubomira and welcome to my crafty corner of YouTube. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make yourself at home and I invite you to check out more of my videos. For those of you returning, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day to spend a few crafty moments with me. I love being able to share my creations with you and I hope you enjoy the time we spend together. Now that you're here, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. By hitting that little bell, you'll get notified every time I post something new and you'll never miss out on any of the crafty goodness. Today's video is another Dollar Tree card. I've been having so much fun creating these cards, and who doesn't love a bargain? I found this really cute border die at my local Dollar Tree and I thought it would make a fun spring card. I don't want to jinx it, but the New York Hudson Valley is starting to warm up. March can be a little tricky in this area and sometimes winter doesn't want to let go, but I'm hoping that spring is near. To make this card, I raided my scraps of paper and pulled a number of colors. These colors happen to be from Concord and 9th, but as always, use what you have on hand. I went ahead and die cut a rainbow assortment of paper. At first, I used a T-square to line up the die straight along one side of the cardstock, but later I just eyeballed it and forewent the process. Now this die cut doesn't completely cut out the line of flowers, so I had to snip the paper near the end of the die cut to free it from the rest of it. Overall, I was pretty impressed with how this die cut worked, considering it is from the Dollar Tree. The only thing I would suggest is being careful while separating flowers away from the leftover paper, since they are pretty dainty. I decided to stack my flower borders on top of a black piece of cardstock. To avoid the bulkiness of the cardstock being layered, I trimmed each color a little. After trimming each border, I glued the die cut to my black panel. I started at the top of the black panel, gluing the colors in a rainbow order, making sure to overlap the previous piece with the color below it. After I was done, I trimmed off the overhang. At first, I started with a guillotine trimmer, but then moved to my rotary one because it was easier. You can definitely cut the excess cardstock with scissors, and I would have done that, but my longer scissors are MIA at the moment. Again, use what you have on hand and what you find to be easiest. To add a little shimmer, I added some gems to the center of each front-facing flower. The only thing I would have done differently about this card is I would have staggered the borders a little more so that the flowers wouldn't line up so much together. That way the gems would have been scattered a little bit more. I glued down the panel onto a white card base and moved on to the sentiment. For the sentiment, I also used a Dollar Tree stamp set. I've noticed that the Dollar Tree carries several sentiment sets, and this one has a number of everyday greetings. I used the large hello and the little sunshine for my card. I stamped the two words one at a time onto a piece of black cardstock using gold pigment ink. This ink is a great option for stamping on dark cardstock. To get a nice, clean, and dark impression, build up the pigment by stamping repeatedly. A stamp platform will guarantee accurate repositioning of the stamp for a clean look. I trimmed the sentiment and then lined it with a white piece of cardstock to create a white border around the greeting. I completed the card by attaching the greeting to the front of my card using foam tape. And that's it. What do you think of this Dollar Tree creation? I really love the flower border, and I'm impressed on how clean the die cut actually cut the paper. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and please leave me your thoughts in the comments below. I really enjoy reading them. Until next time, have a great day, and I hope life treats you kindly. Bye!